over 40 and you feel like food is loud in your head, this is for you. Not like I like food. I mean, it's always there. You eat breakfast and you're already thinking about lunch. You finish lunch and you're negotiating with yourself about dinner. At night it gets worse. Snackings, cravings, just one more. Then the guilt, and then I'll start over Monday. That's the cycle. And you start telling yourself a story. I'm just not disciplined anymore. I want to take that shame off your shoulders, because what you're dealing with is something we call food noise. Food noise is that constant mental chatter around eatings, cravings, urging, preoccupation, the feeling that your appetite is driving the car and you're stuck in the passenger seat. And here's why it gets so intense after 40. First, your hormones shift. Perimenopause, menopause, they change how your body handles hunger, stress, sleep, and blood sugar. So the same eat less, move more plan that used to work in your 20s and 30s suddenly feels like you're fighting against yourself. Second, stress hits different. When you're busy, overstressed, and running on fumes, your brain looks at the fastest comfort it can find. And food is quick, reliable, and socially acceptable. And not a chatterer's flaw. It's a nervous system that's overload. Third, poor sleep amplifies hunger. If you're waking up 2 or 3 in the morning and you're sleeping light, your body cranks up hunger signals the next day. So you're trying to diet, but your body thinks you need more fuel. So when you're telling yourself, why can't I just stick to it? The real answer is you've been fighting biology with willpower. Now here's the important part. When the food noise is high, it becomes almost impossible to stay consistent long enough to get results. Not because you don't know what to do, but because you're constantly using mental energy to resist. That's why medical weight loss can be a powerful tool for the right person. Because one of the biggest benefits people report is it turns down the food noise. They're not obsessing about food and cravings. They're not battling cravings all day. They eat a normal portion and actually feel done. And when that happens, consistency becomes simpler. But I want to be clear. The shot isn't a magic wand. It's not take it and everything is fixed. It's a tool that makes the real plan easier to follow. Because if you're quiet food noise, but you don't build the system, that's where people lose weight and then they regain it. So what's the system? We focus on 3 non-negotiables. Number 1, protein first, eating to protect muscle and keep you full. Because muscle is what keeps your metabolism responsive. Number 2 is strength training. So if you don't end up smaller and softer, strength tells your body to keep your muscle while you lose fat. And number 3 is accountability and weekly adjustments. Because women don't fail from lack of knowledge. They fail from lack of support when life gets busy. So if food noise has been running your life and you've been blaming yourself, I want you to hear this. You're not broken. You're not weak. You just need a better strategy for the body that you want and need now. And when you turn down the food noise and build that plan, fat loss becomes instead of a daily fight, it becomes inevitable.